Hello, vintage outboard motor fans. This is T-Mike. Here at Toledo Bend Lake. I'm about to make a lake test run with a 9.5 motor here. This is restore number 133, a 1968 9.5 horsepower Johnson MQ-14D for Tim. It's a 950 restore, mechanically restored, no paint and decals. I'm gonna take her around the lake. I'm gonna launch her with my Kubota tractor up on the bank here and take her out and give her a spin, see how she does. She runs good in the barrel. Let's see how she does on the open water. Everybody's ready. Here we go. All right, out here on the water, and that baby screams. I got her up to 17 miles an hour against the wind, which there ain't much wind, but it still runs great. Let's take her for a little spin going in. Flies. I mean, it starts right up, runs good. Just give her a little stop and start, see how she does. Idle's good. Kill switch works. Woo! Left-handed, baby. Nice. She's a keeper. This one's for Tim up in Georgia. Tim, she's ready. I might throw a little paint on it for her. Might throw a little paint on it for him just for extra good looks. Let's take her in. She's good to go, Tim. Now, as I continue to run it, died on it a couple of times. I think the fuel pump is bad. As long as I keep bumping the bulb, she runs good, but when I take off, I think the fuel pump gives out on it. Bulb is soft, so that fuel pump works and don't work. So I'm gonna bring her back in and do a modification on the fuel pump to make sure she runs good, and then take her back out. I got the flying motor pulled up to my little workshop area here. Got my tools set up right here. Got my lake view while I'm working. I believe this fuel pump is bad. I'm gonna pull it off, barb it, mount this 2-cycle fuel pump right here and do my little fuel pump upgrade. See if we can't get the flying motor back on the water. Yeah, nice. I got the barb. I tapped it and got the fuel barb set in it. I'm gonna run my hoses now for the new fuel pump. All right, I got the new fuel pump installed. Fuel in, air pulse, fuel out. Let's take her out, put her in the barrel, see if she runs before we put her on the water. I ran it for 4 minutes and ran good. Water pump seems to be working. Give her a little start here. I mean, she runs good, really good. I'm gonna take her out, maybe right now. Take her out on the water, see how she runs. Yes, sir. I've been out here about 10 minutes on it. She don't run out of gas now. That fuel pump modification did the trick. I actually got 19 miles an hour out of her. She sure is a pretty runner. Give it a speed run with the wind, see what we get. Yes, sir. I like her now. Now, I'm going to take her in. I'm going to give her a quickie paint job. Kind of spruce her up a little bit. Then I'm going to shoot a little more video of her and turn her loose to Tim up in Georgia. Stay tuned for the quickie paint job. Alright, here's what it looks like before the quickie paint job. I'm gonna give her a quickie paint job and then give you another view of it. And here we go, the quickie paint job has been administered. All nice and shiny. Yeah, it looks really good. Let's see how the hood came out now. And there she is, the finished product. Did a paint job on her. Found some decals for her. I mean, she is a beauty. She's ready for shipment, or actually ready for Tim to fly down and get it. She's ready, Tim. It'll make you a beautiful motor for a long time. Hope everybody enjoyed the video. See y'all next time. Well, I hope y'all enjoyed the video. I know I enjoyed making it. I love what I do. I especially love helping people with their hobby and providing all the services that you need to work on these vintage outboard motors. So I'd like to take this opportunity to go over the things that I can offer you. So first thing is my eBay store. I have an eBay store, been having it for 10 or 12 years, have over 2,000 parts. If you need parts, T Mike's eBay store is where to go. I have a link for all these things down in the description. Just click on the link, it'll bring you right to my store. I also offer a mail-in service program. You can ship me your magneto, carburetor, or gear case. I'll repair it here, test it on my motors, and send it right back to you. All right. I also offer technical consulting. I have a link down in the description on eBay to buy it, $40 an hour. I don't mind you calling me and helping you for 10 or 15 minutes for free. If it takes longer than that and you want to dedicate an hour or two towards helping it, just buy one of these items on eBay and I'll give you technical consulting. I also do repair, service, and restoration on outboard motors. You've seen my videos, you've seen my work. Here's a link to the video to give you the prices for doing that work. You can ship me your motor, I can restore it for you and ship it back to you. All right. I've also started selling parts on eBay. All right. I sell a full tune-up kit, the master kit. It's got everything you need: coils, points, condensers, spark plugs, spark wires with the boots on them, everything you need to rebuild your carburetor. And then I also sell all these parts individually. You can buy just the coils, just the tune-up kit, just the spark plugs, just the spark wires if you want. All right. And also, I'm now offering T-Mike vintage outboard caps and mouse pads. If you want to join the T-Mike club, all these links are down in the description. Also, I would like to mention that if you have any videos that I don't have that you would like to make, just hit me on YouTube or text me at 337-278-5429. I'll gladly make a video. I've got over 270 now videos on these motors. I think I have everything covered, but if I don't, just go ahead and hit me up. I'd love to make a video to help you guys out. And always remember and never forget, here at T-Mike's Vintage Outboards, we're doing it one motor at a time. See y'all next video.